Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of buffering on the application of Reddit. You click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Reddit and you click here. In this page of app info you click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Reddit like this here. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again, so please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe.